many of the skincare products sold today were created in the 1970s. Emotional well-being has been ignored. Traditionally, skincare has been marketed for two reasons. One, to solve a problem, taking a very rational approach. Or two, purely for cosmetic reasons, a quick fix, pushing a very idealized version of beauty. But customers have moved on, and their needs have changed quite dramatically. With Plenaire, we sought to open a new window, linking your everyday skincare to emotional well-being, because that is what we saw was needed.
That's why Plenaire was created to be the beauty brand we wanted, taking a different approach.
Plenaire comes from the French expression for in the open air.
Instead, aiming to inspire more young people to look after their well-being through sustainable yet luxurious skincare. At Plenaire, we decided to forge our own path, reimagining beauty, and our social strategy always reflects this approach.
Throughout the process, it's been about keeping an open mind and creating your own path.
Throughout my years of experience being a model, I felt like I had to look and act a certain way in order to be successful.
But with Plenaire, it's about staying true to yourself and sharing what makes you different.
Skincare that's designed to celebrate everyone's unique skin chemistry. No science experiments, just great skin.
Plenaire's formulations were created out of a genuine need to develop safe, effective, and pleasurable alternatives for young women and men to care for their skin.
Everyone has the right to accessible, well-designed products created with integrity.
Plenaire has been built on a desire to do as little harm to the environment, animals, or each other as we can. Not only because it's the right thing to do, but also because it's what consumers demand from us, now and in the future.
Our customer wanted to do more, but with fewer products. They were really interrogating the impact of their beauty consumption. So rather than long, complicated routines, every Plenaire product has been designed to have multitasking benefits. Our tripler mask treats like a mask, exfoliates like a scrub, and cleanses all in one lovely product. No phony science or complicated jargon, no misleading claims, and no greenwashing.
Plenaire reframes skincare rituals as indulgent moments of self-care that invite you to take a moment for yourself.
Unlike any generation that has come before, Gen Z embraces diversity and inclusivity in every aspect of their lives, and that includes beauty.
With our vegan, sustainably sourced products, we absolutely reflect the way our customer is shopping and making their choices today. Every ingredient is hand-picked and tested for safety and efficacy right here in our lab in London.
When designing the brand identity, it was essential to ensure that the Plenaire packaging was 100% recyclable, using only high-quality, sustainable materials. Plenaire is also fully carbon neutral.
And that's why we've decided to go a step further by making these Plenaire promises. Our products will now and forever be vegan, cruelty-free, and made in the UK.
So that our community can indulge their senses without compromising on ethics or results.
Plenaire can be found in some of the world's best retailers and alongside other up-and-coming independent brands. We're definitely here to stay.
And now we're providing you, our audience, the opportunity to come get involved.
In the next 12 months, we'll continue to expand our already incredible Plenaire team, as well as progress our ambitious marketing plan. With your help, we'll be able to fund our upcoming production, including new products we cannot wait to share with you.
We want to make sure as many people as possible enjoy our products.
With your investment, we'll continue to grow the beauty brand of tomorrow. We would love to have you join us here at Plenaire.